But
Make it-
we'll do
make
like
it-
we'll
make
do
it
like
3 or
3 to 4
4.
rounds.
Go to like 2, like.
Hey, keep it
Do
like 3 to 4 round bursts.
All right.
So you guys are tracking. You're hitting the papers now. He's on the far right paper. You guys are on the 2 middle ones. And I think you said it was 876.
It's 10, 9, 8, 7, 6.
We just got them before we came here. But these guys are good.
And also, know how to manipulate the machine gun?
Yeah.
No, but this one is not right. Yeah, another one. Okay, Marshal, sim. Richard Rachad.
Yeah, just get a shoot on iron sight. You're shooting a little bit left, but you brought it from all the way up down. You were also firing like a regular sustained rate too.
All 15.
Yeah, so that's how we want to do it. All right, this way it's not so much about the competition. I want you to get on. Just make sure you maintain the same side picture.
So
Also, if you swap these out with clear, it's probably going
I think we'll do way better with
all day.
It's okay.
Yeah, we'll be okay.
We're gonna
It's an
also
area.
shoot the.
Same thing, sustain. Keep it sustained the whole way. All right, they're running like 2 to 3 bursts every time, so let's just keep that up.
Michel Rachad, you can start shooting.
Okay. Hey, charge for opportunity on my command. Enemy. Fire. Gun 1, fire.
I'd like to right now.
Your back is fine.
3, 2, 1, go! Go, go, go! Your 100 meters is blown out. Yeah. Let's go! Come on, Wes. Come on, Wes.
Good.
Michael, it's M-I-C-H-A-E-L, and then Zeber, Z-E-B-E-R. We're practicing with the Israeli army in a little 240 range. It's been a little fun. The guns are a little bit different than ours, you know, a little more old school, but it was good. Yeah, we'll see how I shot down there though. Keegan Merlino, K-E-E-G-A-N, last name Merlino, M-E-R-L-I-N-O. So right now, we're getting some cross training with our Israeli counterparts, working on some gun drills. Got the guys to pull out one of the old Bravos that we haven't used in a while. What we just went through was essentially a belt change, simulating malfunctions. After a little bit of a stress shoot, running down a couple hundred meters, coming back. And just some trigger time, working on accuracy, you know, shaking hands with partners, having some fun. So it's good to see that even though, you know, we're out here training and staying on guard, things like that, you know, staying up, that they're still able to maintain their quick pace and their accuracy. I guess my favorite part about being out here is it's a beautiful country, and we're doing really what the 173rd mission has kind of always been. We got to exercise our readiness, ability to deploy, and also work with our counterparts out in foreign countries. Been here a couple times before, and this is a real good place to be. These guys are real professional, so it's fun working with them.
It's Frank Mazza, last name is M-A-Z-Z-A. Today we're just getting together with the IDF, going out for a good range day, and then after that we're going to do some Krav Maga and have lunch. So far I'm pretty excited with the training. It's a good time. We're getting good range time with them. They're teaching us some stuff about their marksmanship. We're giving tips and tricks on what we know and what we're good at too. So far it's just small stuff like how they do mag changes, how they do the ready up drills for connecting with the targets faster. Just very basic ways to make hitting the targets easier and more effective. I love training with the other countries. It's a good time to just strengthen our bonds with the other countries and learn how other units in different militaries have different SOPs and how they do day-to-day training. We're out here just doing marksmanship training and then Krav Maga training, hand-to-hand combat training with the IDF. So far, it's been really good training with the marksmanship, and it's just an overall good time.
William Robert Vess, PV2, W-I-L-L-I-E-M, V-E-S-S. We are doing Krav Maga and training with the Israelis and shooting some, just getting used to their weapon systems and our weapon systems combined, doing some of their training. My favorite part of the day was the Krav Maga class that we just took. It was very interesting, learning new techniques, fighting. Anything particular that I've learned how to different types of ways of boxing that I didn't know before, and different ways of moving around while fighting, and that seemed pretty good to me. It was a very good workout. What we're doing today is we are training with the Israeli soldiers, learning their weapon systems and going back and forth between our weapon systems and theirs, and my favorite part of the day is the Krav Maga class.